Sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize how close to my phone dying it was. Eek. All right, I had to plug it in. Alrighty, let's see. Okay. Making sure everything's running smooth. I'm glad I double checked that recently because that was on 5% or less. Alright. Okay. That I think. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I need I need 4 of these. Okay. Let's see. There we go. 4 of those. All right. 1. Oh, there we go. That wasn't pushed all the way down. 2. 3. And 4. And it came off again. All right. Pretty. All right. Next, 3 of these guys. Okay. 1 of these guys. 2 of these guys. All right. Okay. All right. According to this, first, let us do this. And then this one goes over here. Okay. And then the small one goes here. This one goes here. Oh, you're not even going to be able to see that really well. Okay. That's kind of hidden. That's cool. That little weird banner one. Pennant. All right, there. Next, okay. Okay. Okay, they're 4x1s. They're flat 4x1s. 1, 2, 3. The reason I know they're 4x1s is I'm counting the little bumps nearby them. Okay, 4. All right, and 1 2x1. 2 vents. 1 vent. Ah, there's just another vent. Okay, another vent. And then 18 2x2 square or flat squares. 1, 2, nope, not that one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. And 1 of these weird boy pieces. Okay. Cool. All right. We'll start here, I guess, on the side. And so it's 3 of these across. 3, a grate, okay, and this piece, all right, skip a piece, put this piece here, another grate, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, then 2 here, and then don't you break, darn you. Okay, fill in the blanks here. Okay, all right, now next. Okay, so open, let's we got the 1x4s, another one. Okay, and this one here, and then this one, and this one. I only need one of those. Okay, so I got them there. Good, good, good. Next. All right. Bring in these last pieces here. So 2 of these, 6 of these. All right, 2 slope, 2 top and top slope. I need 2 of those. 1. Okay, still recording. Oh, there's 2. All right, next. 1x2 tall brick, okay, and 4 corner bigger brick, thick bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, so this guy goes here. Okay, this one goes here. I'm assuming this one goes. Oh, yeah, this goes here. Oops, that didn't go there. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. This goes. I straighten it. There. And there. Okay. And now the rest of these go around the edges. Okay. Not so far. Still moves. Whee! All right. So we got so far. Next, we need 4 of the tall slopes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of the tall column. 1 ones. So 1, 2. Weird pieces. These guys. I need 1 of this guy. I need 1 of the cross middles. Okay. I need 3 of the 1 studs. Not that one. There we go. 3 of the 1 studs. 1 of the 1 flat stud. Okay. 2 of the short. Nope, too long. Where's the short ones? Okay, there's that one. There's that one. There is that one. There's a long one. There are these 2 guys. I don't see that one. Oh, there's one. Okay, so 1 of these. And Key junction. There you go. Conjunction junction. There we go. Okay, so start off. We poke this guy, which, okay, into here, and into here, okay. And it's supposed to be facing up. Okay, can do. Got it. There we go. We take one of these, put it on the end of this one. Okay. And put this one on top. Okay. Perfect. All right. So turn this guy around, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then this one goes like this. And then there's one of these on each side. Probably should have waited to do that. Okay. And then 1. This one facing out. 2, and then 3. So it faces the right direction. Okay, there we go. So this is what it's looking like now. Okay. All right, so turn it back around this way, I guess. We need this long guy here. One of these guys. A little tiny one stud, which is not that one. This one. A thick one stud. Another one of those 2 on the side ones, not that one. Ah, there it is. 2 of the long studs. Okay. And 4 of the long stud ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so next, all right, we have to take this one here and another one of these on top. Okay, that, and then one of the thicker studs on the bottom. Got it. Okay, and then 1, 2. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. I just realized what I gotta do. I gotta get this to try to straighten up and go down there. And it's crooked. Grab. Okay, hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. I'm gonna try this way. It's gonna be hard. Okay, there we go. There. Okay. Yay! I succeeded. I am the wiener. All right. Okay. All right. Oh. I don't know where that's supposed to go on top, but there it is. Okay, I just put it on top. I'm not sure where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go down for. Oh, it's supposed to go there. Okay. Whee! Nope. It just keeps pushing up. All right. Let's see. It twirls and then pushes it up. Alright, so get that on there. It's on top of this, so it's what it's looking like so far. Let's see. Next, 2 of the reverses. One of the 1x2 thicks. One of the 1 stud thick. And this weird thingamajigger. This guy. Okay. Alright, so apparently this one goes here. This one goes here. Stud. And the this one. And then this guy goes through like so and just sits there, apparently. I can deal with that. I need to find a better place to put my feet. Hold on. Okay. My feet are killing me. I worked earlier. All right, another reverse one. Okay, this one. Nope, this one. Okay, another 2x1 stud. If I can find it, there's that one. Another 1x1 stud. There. Weird little this thingy, and another one of those thingies. Okay. Alright, so we turn them around. Okay, like that, I guess. Yeah, apparently. Alright, this one feeds there. This one goes there. And then it's this one. And then this one. Okay. So it's looking like that. And then this goes on top of this one. And this guy goes on top of that, apparently. There we go. There we go. Okay. So pretty. Okay. Okay. So next, I need this one. This one, a 2x1 flat, and 4 yellows. Son of a mug, did I knock that down? I hope I did. I hope I didn't knock down a black piece on the floor. I'm not gonna find the darn thing. That's tape. Technical difficulties. Yeah, I don't think I knocked it over. I think I just made a noise and moved something. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. Ugh, I need a better chair. God, heavens. All right. I need a better chair. This one's crap. All right. So, this one in the middle. Oh, this requires a sticker too. Sticker. Oh, where's the sticker? Where's the stickers? Right there they are. Okay. All right, so well, oh, it's supposed to be a screw sticker. Okay, so then this goes here, and then I gotta get the screw sticker off. And then place it. However, wait, nope, that was crap. Good job, Leslie.